Maraming opportunity, pero kung dadaan yon, kailangan i-grab mo na. If gusto mo maging successful, maghanap ka ng coach na pwedeng magturo sa'yo para malamang yung nakita nila, makita mo din. And hindi ka kakapa-kapa sa dilim. Imagine mo to, grabe. Alam mo yun, kung may negosyo ka or may work or meron kang ginagawa, no? Gusto mo maging master ng craft na yun, gawin mo ng 10,000 times, 10,000 hours. Importante pa rin talaga na malaman mo na para maging successful, may sakripisyo, no? Na may kailangan ka tiisin. Siyempre, you need to know that there's a bigger, brighter future. Always be proactive. If you're gonna do something, make sure do it fast. Because if you're not going to grab it, somebody else will grab it for you. And syempre yung resulta, sa kanila mapupunta.